The 2023 BRZ is powered by a 2.4-liter, naturally aspirated, 228 horsepower Subaru Boxer engine paired with a 6-speed close-ratio manual transmission or a 6-speed electronic direct control automatic transmission. For 2023, the BRZ is offered in 2 trim levels, Premium and Limited, and has a starting price of $28,595. The BRZ continues to offer a standard precision shifting 6-speed manual transmission. Available on both trim levels is a performance-tuned 6-speed electronic direct control automatic transmission with adaptive control and steering wheel paddle shift control switches. BRZ models equipped with automatic transmission feature the award-winning Subaru EyeSight driver assist technology. The system includes adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking system, lane departure and sway warning, and lead vehicle start alert. The automatic transmission option also adds high beam assist to both trim levels. The 2023 BRZ Premium with optional automatic transmission is priced at $30,095, with a starting price of $31,095. The 2023 BRZ Limited adds 18-inch alloy wheels in matte gray finish, Michelin Pilot Sport 4 summer tires, heated exterior power mirrors, upgraded audio system that includes a 2-channel amplifier and 2 additional speakers, blind spot detection with lane keep assist and rear cross traffic alert, steering responsive headlights, and STARLINK Safety and Security. The 2023 BRZ Limited with optional automatic transmission is priced at $32,795. This option adds reverse automatic braking and EyeSight driver assist technology.